Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and I thought today I'd talk about foundation of a home. There's really two main foundations that you're going to see here in Orange County, slab and raised foundation. Very common to find slab, certainly more common. It's cheaper, faster for builders, so it's certainly what you see more of. On older homes, you will see raised foundation. Basically, all that means is the foundation is up a little bit, creates a little crawl space in there where you can actually get in there and work on pipes, and it's a nice thing. My home actually is on raised foundation. However, it does provide a little more movement, so you will see more cracks in the drywall on the inside. But probably 80% of the homes in Orange County are slab, which is a good thing. There's nothing wrong with it. If you do have a slab leak, which is the one thing that people will hear about, it's not actually that big a deal. They just route around it. Whereas with raised foundation, you can actually access those pipes. But ultimately, they're very similar. Raised foundation will move less. Some people will say, slab will move less. And some people will say slab will crack less on the interior and is a little bit colder to the touch. Hope this helps. Be happy to go through it further with you. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and have a good day.